This video shows you how to activate the Skype for Business interface on your phone. Before starting, please make sure that you are running software version 5.5.1 or higher. Now, go to Home, Settings, Advanced. Log in using the admin password. If the phone is new, the default password is 456. Now, go to Administration Settings, Network Configuration, Base Profile. If generic is checked, you are running OpenSIP. To change to Skype for Business, press Skype, then press back and save configuration. The phone reboots. Next, authenticate the phone. Sign in using your Skype for Business user credentials. Press Sign In address, then sign into your Skype for Business account. Domain is optional. Finally, type in the password, then press Sign In. The phone authenticates. Create a lock code. This means that when you walk away, you can lock the phone so that no one else can access the menu. If your Skype for Business account is associated with an Outlook account, a calendar button appears in the interface. If you schedule a meeting through Outlook and invite the user using the Skype meeting functionality, you will be able to see the meeting invitation on your phone. You can join this meeting using the Join button. This is the end of the video.